Tapos,
And then we don't have the salmon anymore. For fish, we still have halibut. Then the rest po is available.
chicken breast. Pwede ba to?
Yes po. And then for the sides, I recommend at least one salad and then two warm.
Ano ba? Iba.
Tomato actually.
Tomato.
And then
Then,
two more po. How about charred corn or soft-boiled egg?
boiled egg.
And one more.
A mushroom.
Yes. Then for garnish po, would you like me to do the curry balls? Para
Tortilla chips na.
then for the sauce,
Anong masarap?
balsamic actually. May babayas po ako.
Tapos
And then
din,
beetroot or white meat. And you're done actually.
ayan, dana.
Yes. And then add to order. Then finally po, if you want to change fries,
AR to order. Done!
okay, so please proceed po.
Ang placement nila, nagagaling ng Japan.
We're actually through dine out and fun and tasty, and that's what we're bringing